Imagine walking up to an SUV that instantly feels futuristic, confident, and practical at the same time. This is the 2026 Hyundai Tucson. From the very first glance, it's clear Hyundai has pushed the boundaries again. This isn't just a facelift. It's a smarter, sharper, and more refined evolution of one of the most popular compact SUVs in the world. The exterior design immediately grabs attention. The front features Hyundai's signature parametric grille, now even more seamlessly integrated, with hidden LED daytime running lights that come alive when switched on. The headlights sit lower, giving the Tucson a wide and planted stance on the road. Sculpted lines flow along the sides, creating a sense of motion even when the car is standing still, while the bold wheel arches and new alloy wheel designs add a sporty yet premium character. Around the back, the LED taillights form a clean, modern pattern, and the redesigned bumper gives the Tucson a more confident and upscale look. Step inside, and the 2026 Tucson feels like it belongs to a higher segment. The dashboard is clean, wide, and driver-focused, with a large curved digital display that blends the instrument cluster and infotainment screen into one smooth panel. Everything feels intuitive, from the touch-sensitive climate controls to the redesigned center console that frees up space and adds a minimalist vibe. Materials feel soft and well-finished, and there's a noticeable improvement in cabin insulation, making the interior quieter and more comfortable on long drives. Comfort is a major highlight. The seats are supportive and well-cushioned, with available heated and ventilated options. Rear seat passengers get generous legroom and headroom, making this a genuinely family-friendly SUV. The panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with light, while ambient lighting adds a premium touch during night drives. The boot space is practical and wide, easily handling daily errands, luggage, or weekend adventures, and the rear seats fold flat for even more flexibility under the hood. The 2026 Hyundai Tucson offers a range of powertrain options to suit different driving needs. Depending on the market, you can expect efficient petrol and diesel engines, along with hybrid and plug-in hybrid variants. The hybrid models stand out for delivering smooth acceleration, impressive fuel economy, quiet operation, especially in city driving. Power delivery feels refined, and the transmission shifts smoothly, making the Tucson easy and relaxing to drive in all conditions. On the road, Tucson strikes a great balance between comfort and control. Suspension is tuned to absorb bumps and rough patches while still feeling stable and confident at highway speeds. Steering is light for city use, but remains predictable on longer journeys. Whether you're navigating tight urban streets, cruising on the motorway, or tackling light off-road paths, the Tucson feels composed and reassuring. Technology is another strong point. The infotainment system is fast, responsive, and easy to use, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, voice commands, and connected car features. A premium sound system delivers clear and rich audio, while features like wireless charging, multiple USB ports, and digital key functionality make everyday use more convenient. Safety has clearly been a top priority. The 2026 Tucson comes packed with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, forward collision avoidance, and parking assistance. These features work smoothly in the background, adding confidence without feeling intrusive. Whether you're a new driver or an experienced one, what truly sets the 2026 Hyundai Tucson apart is how well-rounded it is. It blends bold design, modern technology, strong safety, and efficient performance into one package that feels premium yet approachable. It's an SUV that doesn't try too hard, but still delivers exactly what most drivers want: style, comfort, reliability, and value. If you're looking for a compact SUV that feels future-ready, practical for everyday life, and enjoyable to drive, the 2026 Hyundai Tucson makes a very strong case. This is not just transportation. It's a smart lifestyle upgrade that proves Hyundai continues to raise the bar in the SUV segment.